how to add products to TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing 2024. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to utilize the affiliate marketing features and how you will be able to add products inside of that. So over here right now, as you can see, we're currently in the homepage of TikTok Shop. And we have this feature called affiliate marketing, which you will be able to locate over here on the top section above the menu, as you can see here. So what you're going to simply do is you're going to open this by selecting it, and you will be redirected to a new page. Now this page over here will show us all the different tools and features that we have in relation to affiliate marketing. Now before we talk about how you will be able to add a product inside your affiliate marketing, let's first showcase the different tools or the different features. First things first, we have collaboration. We have open collaboration and target collaboration. In open collaboration, basically, you will be able to add products to your affiliate program through the open collaboration, and creators will be able to find your products in their product marketplace, wherein they will be able to offer or apply to become a creator who promotes your product. We also have something to call target collaboration, as you can see here, where you will be sending an invitation to specific creators, to specific users that you want to promote your product. As you can see, get your favorite creators to promote your product. So if you want a specific person to be able to promote the product that you're selling, you could do it with target collaboration. But if you want anyone, like a free for all promotion of your product, you could do it with the open collaboration. We also have find creators over here, where basically you will be able to locate, and not really locate, but to identify different type of users, as you can see, and different data regarding them. Like for example, with this user over here, Yana San Mateo, you will be able to see their videos, their GMV, the total amount of items they have sold, average video views, and engagement rate over here. And then you could invite them, of course, to be part of your partner creators, which you can then assign items or assign products to them. This feature is really great because you will be able to see which users are being active or which users are really active and getting a lot of views, and who could give you the most opportunity to get a lot of sales. So you will be able to find them over here. Then you can also check out the right rankings over here, which would allow you to see who are the current rankers or who are the currently best sellers in TikTok Shop. So you have an idea on who you want to go for. Maybe if you have enough budget, you could go for the top users. You could ask them to promote your products. And then you also have managed creators over here. This is where you will be able to, manage the users that you were able to find through the collaboration feature, whether it's open or target. If you successfully got them, they will be located over here, where you will be able to manage them. And you also have, you will be able to locate here also the creators that you will be able to find in the Discover Creators. And under the partner campaigns as well, you have different campaigns, you have seller initiated, and then you have your marketplace over here. In this marketplace, basically, if you want to be the one who's the affiliate, who's promoting the product, this is where you're going to see it. Like you could register, do some of this. And as you can see, there's a commission rate. So whenever someone orders or purchase a specific product, you have a 20% commission rate, something like that. So it depends on your interaction or your communication with your boss or whoever is setting this up. You will be able to get a specific amount of commission rate for your sales. Then you have your sample requests. If you want users to purchase, or if you want your creators to have a sample product to promote, they will be able to find it over here. You will be able to see who is requesting and like the location of those requests. And then you have your typical analytics over here, and then affiliate orders. Now for the products, you would typically need to add products in the open collaboration over here, and the target collaboration as well. And as you can notice, it will basically just get products from your existing products inside of TikTok Shop. So if you want to add products inside of your open collaboration, make sure you add products in the TikTok Shop first. You can do that by clicking on products over here on the left side. And then you have all of these tools over here. You will be able to add products through the manage products or the add new product feature over here. So you click on add new product or the manage product. And this is what you're going to see. Basically, you're just going to enter the typical basic information. You have our product image over here, our product name, which is very important. So you can easily identify the category or like the suggested category. But of course, you could select that still manually on your own. You have our description section over here where you can enter a specific description for your specific product. You could also ask AI for help with generating the description if you want to improve upon it. And then you have your sales information and then shipping information over here. And what you can just basically do is submit for review, and you will be able to add that new product into your product list if ever it successfully passed the review. And what you're going to do in the open collaboration over here, you're just basically going to click on add products over here at the bottom, which will just show you the list of existing products that you have added inside of your TikTok Seller Center. So anything that's in your managed products, any product that has been already successfully verified and products that you are already selling, you can easily upload or see it inside of this page over here in the open collaboration. And then you can just basically select them, and then you can click on batch add to collaboration, which would allow users to view your specific product inside the marketplace. We also have the target collaboration that we have mentioned earlier. To get started with this one, it's very similar to the open collaboration, but the first thing that you're going to need to do is to select the specific creator that you want to have. So as you can see here, step 1 is choose creators. It could be one, it could be multiple creators. It depends on you. And over here, as you can see in the product selection, just simply select the products that would appear here. Like I mentioned earlier, any product that you have added through the Seller Center, through the add new product over here, if it's successfully added, it will all appear in the choose products over here, which you can easily use. And then you could also have some free samples over here and then invitations that you could send in, or you could send to your different creators. Then it could also be posted in the open or the marketplace if you selected the open collaboration. But this is for a specific invite only. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.